Our extension room is pretty mess right now. We're putting a wood floor. We're replacing this ugly rug for a wood floor. So this is our project for today. See how messy it is. This couch is really heavy, so we're gonna have to kind of work area to area. We're gonna have to take out this rug first and then work little by little. This is the hardest part where the computer is, so we don't have a whole lot of space to work on it, so we're just gonna push the couch. So it's just a mess. This is our little extension room, our hangout room, computer room, daycare room. So this is going to be really nice once we finish the flooring. Yep, I'll see you guys in a little bit. We have to work all day. Bye. There's my husband.
Waiting for my wife.
Building for me. Hold on, honey, that's gonna be heavy. Hold on. My husband is cleaning the ceiling fan before we vacuum the floor because it's dirty right now. So yep, we have 2 ceiling fans, the air conditioning. There's another ceiling fan out here. Hi guys, this is the area that we're gonna start putting the flooring. So we're getting it ready. This is the hard part because this is where the desk computer is. So we're gonna have to clean it more. We're gonna have to take off this trim board, and then we can start laying down the flooring. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Dad, can I try?
I'm gonna clean it outside, and so we can reuse it. We're gonna take off all these trim boards so we can start laying the floor. I think we can reuse this trim board so we don't have to buy one.
That sounds like a good idea, Mom.
Yep. See, we can reuse it. I just need to clean it outside.
Well,
See? Here, honey bunny.
no.
Taking off the trim board. Okay guys, we're taking off the trim board. Our project for this weekend, because we can't really do anything outside. It's stormy.
Or have us doing something outside too.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna clean up this trim board. Take this off so we can reuse it. This is so hard. Yeah, we can go ahead and clean this up. Then we're gonna reuse it. Because this is brand new, guys. This is like 2 years old when we when we fix the extension room. So we have a lot things to do today.